Best AI image generators in 2025 DreamStudio versus DALL-E, Midjourney, and more. Are you looking to create stunning images with AI in 2025, but don't know which tool to choose? In this video, we'll compare the top AI image generators you can use as a beginner or pro, including DreamStudio, DALL-E, Midjourney, Firefly, and more. Let's dive in. 1. DreamStudio Stable Diffusion. DreamStudio is the official web app for Stable Diffusion, a powerful open-source image generator. You can input a prompt and get high-quality art in seconds. It supports in-painting, out-painting, and even animation. Great for artists who want full control. You'll need credits to generate, not 100% free. 2. DALL-E 3 by OpenAI. DALL-E 3 is now built into ChatGPT and Bing. It lets you create highly accurate and creative images directly from your prompt. The best part? You can edit images just by talking with natural language. Free via Bing or with ChatGPT+. Super beginner-friendly. 3. Midjourney. Midjourney is famous for incredibly aesthetic images, used by designers and creatives. You can use it via Discord or web, just type your prompt and see magic happen. Best for art, fantasy, abstract, and concept design. No free plan, subscription required. 4. Adobe Firefly Model 4. Firefly is Adobe's professional AI art engine, made for designers. You can generate commercial use-safe images trained on licensed and public data. Ideal for branding, posters, product images. Integrated with Photoshop and Illustrator. 5. Leonardo.ai. Leonardo gives you fine control over styles, lighting, and texture. It's great for generating game assets, icons, and concept art, even with minimal prompts. Great for creatives, game designers, and freelancers. 6. Recraft.ai. Recraft is built for professionals, with tools to create consistent image styles, perfect text rendering, and detailed control. Ideal for logos, brand visuals, infographics. 7. Night Cafe and Playground AI. If you want a more casual experience with lots of free images per day, try Night Cafe or Playground AI. Both are beginner-friendly, with easy sliders and lots of style presets. Free daily credits. Quick results without tech skills. Whether you're creating for fun, content, or clients, there's an AI image tool for you in 2025. Our picks. Best for beginners, DALL-E or Playground AI. Best quality, Midjourney or Firefly. Best for control and commercial work, DreamStudio or Recraft. Try them out. Links in the description. Tell us, what's your favorite AI art tool? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching.